How to turn on notifications in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the bottom, there's a section of notification. Simply tap on setup. So this is the place where you can turn on the notification. Here, tap on allow notification, and here on the bottom you can find different subcategories too. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize it. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.